A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip. Check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click Connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Hanging a garland around your front door? Use a tension rod to hang your garland for a quick addition. Find a tension rod that is made specifically for garlands or use an extra curtain rod. Put the tension rod into the alcove above your door and screw it tight. Hang your garland along the rod and wrap it around the ends so that it stays. You can find garland tension rods at most home goods stores during the holiday season. Attach hooks to the top of your door for easy installation. Purchase 5 to 6 wall hooks that have sticky backings. Place them about 1 foot (0.30 m) apart from each other on the wall above your door. Hang your garland on the hooks and let the ends frame the outside of your front door. Hooks with adhesive backings work well on wooden walls, but they won't do well on brick or stone. They also may fall off in hot or humid climates. Hammer nails into the spaces between stones in a stone wall. Choose nails that are about 3 inches (7.6 cm) long. Use a hammer to push them into the spaces in between the stones in your wall that surround your door. Try to put the nails about 1 foot (0.30 m) apart, but add them wherever they will fit in with your stones. Hang your garland on the nails and let the ends frame your door. If your stone wall is damaged or not stable, do not push nails into it. Use brick clips to hang your garland on your brick wall. Brick clips are metal clips that fit vertically over your brick without creating any holes or marks. Hold your brick clip vertically and attach it around a single brick above your door. Make sure it clicks into place so that it will support the weight of your garland. Use 5 to 6 brick clips spaced about 6 inches (15 cm) apart to span the width of your door. Hang your garland off of your brick clips and let the ends drape around your front door. You can find brick clips at most hardware stores. Adding a garland to your railings and windows. Use zip ties on your railing for a secure solution. Set your garland out on your railing in a straight line. Attach a zip tie around the center and each end of your garland. Pull the zip tie as tight as it can go to make sure it is secure. If your garland is sagging in any areas, add another zip tie to make it tighter. When it comes time to take your garland down, cut off the zip ties and throw them away. Wrap your garland around your porch railing for a simple decoration. Place your garland on top of your railing at one end. Wrap your garland around your railing 2 to 3 times in a loose spiral pattern. Secure each end of your garland with a zip tie to keep it in place. This looks great on a railing that slopes downward. Add planter hooks to your railings for a secure solution. Planter hooks are large metal hooks that have brackets to fit over your railing. Open up the brackets of your planter hook and set them over your railing. Tighten the brackets with a small wrench to secure them. Place 5 to 6 planter hooks along your railing about 1 foot (0.30 m) apart. Drape your garland over the planter hooks to keep it in place. You can also use planter hooks to hang large wreaths or heavy bundles of lights. Hang outdoor hooks on your windows for a subtle decoration. Use outdoor hooks with an adhesive back that are made specifically for attaching to glass windows. Place one hook on either side of your window and hang a small garland in between them. Outdoor hooks will withstand the months of cold and harsh weather that might happen during the winter. You can find outdoor hooks at most hardware stores. Wrapping a porch post in garland. Use a garland that is twice the length of your post. Measure the length of your porch post with a measuring tape. Multiply the length by 2 to find out how long your garland needs to be. For example, if your post is 8 feet 2.4 in tall, use a garland that is 16 feet 4.9 in long. Attach hooks with adhesive backs to the top and bottom of your post. Peel the backs off of 2 adhesive hooks and place one at the very top of your post on the side that faces your home. Add another to the very bottom of your post on the same side. You can also use hooks that are installed with nails and a hammer for a more permanent solution. Hang the top part of your garland on the top hook. Hold your garland lengthwise and place the top part on the top hook. Make sure that it is secure and won't fall off of the hook. You can wrap a zip tie around your garland to attach it to the hook if you need to. Wrap the garland around your post 3 to 4 times. Grab the end of your garland and wrap it around your post, keeping even spacing throughout. If your pole is especially long, you may need to wrap your garland 5 to 6 times. You can decide how many times you'd like to wrap your post depending on what you think looks the best. Hook the bottom end of the garland on the bottom hook. Once you reach the bottom of your post, take the end of the garland and attach it to the bottom hook. If you need to, add a zip tie to attach the garland to the hook so that it stays in place.